Are you ready to master market analysis? Market analysis is the key to understanding your business landscape and making informed decisions. Let's break down the step-by-step process. Step 1. Market research. Begin by gathering information about industry trends and understanding the overall market size. Review comprehensive research reports to gain deep insights. Step 2. Data collection. Gather data through customer surveys and feedback forms. Use analytics dashboards to track and collect valuable metrics. Step 3. Data analysis. Transform raw data into meaningful graphs and visual representations. Identify trends and patterns to extract actionable insights. Step 4. Competitor analysis. Compare your position against competitors using detailed comparison charts. Analyze market positioning and develop strategic plans. Now you have the complete framework for effective market analysis. Explore detailed market insights at Dimension Market Research.